everyone. We're going to make some lunch boxes and get ready for Kindy and go, but we're in a very big rush today because Navy got stung by a bee 2 days ago. We were in ER last night. We're going to show them off. Kept on a bee on Sunday morning, and then it got so big. It got so big. We spent 3.5 hours in the ER yesterday because it's getting infected. I don't know. Apparently bee stings are called cellulitis, which I had no idea. So that's where I spent my entire night last night. Little friend Kingy. There's my finger. Something about Navy that you don't know, he'll literally get stung